Even if you don't have a good sound quality equipment like microphone and other gadgets needed for better sound quality, you can still get the best output ever if you know how to do this thing that I'm going to show you in this video. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract an audio and how to enhance the audio, and also how to sync the audio with that your video to make it sound professional. I'm going to show you all these things very fast and it's free. Just quickly take a look at these two videos. No matter how noisy the environment is, after using this website, your sound. No matter how noisy the environment is, after using this website, your sound. You see, after enhancing my audio, it sounds as if I use the microphone or as if I'm in a studio. But I actually used my device to record without any extra source. All right, and I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. But make sure you stay back and watch it very closely and understand. Most people still tell me that this doesn't work, but I'm going to be sharing with you why they say that it doesn't work, the mistake that they do, and how to avoid it so that you also get the best quality out of this particular website that I'm talking about. All right, let's go and extract the audio. But before we extract that audio, if today is your first time of coming across my two videos, I'm Ego Tech and we talk about tech related updates in this channel or everything concerning tech in all round. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and on your notification bell for you not to miss out on any of our tech related updates. Let's go extract the audio. The first thing you do is extracting the audio from the video so that you can be able to process it. Then we'll be using this application here, Audio Lab, as I said. Then you click on this open after downloading it from either Play Store or your App Store. Then you scroll down. Then you see these two options. They are all doing the same thing. These two options, this one video to audio and this one. But we are going to be using the first one, which is this one, video to audio. The reason is because you'll be allowed to search the video by name. Okay, and you'll be allowed to go through all those options to find your video. It will be very easy for you to locate it. While this other one, you just need to keep scrolling up to find your video. All right, so that's a marathon race. But so that's the reason why we are using the first option. Then you click on video to audio and then select the particular video you want to extract the audio. Click on it like this. Then here comes where people make mistake. While extracting audio, and most applications that you use to extract audio don't give you this option. While extracting audio, don't allow it to be in MP3. This option don't allow it to be there. Make sure you are this option. All right, if it's not in this particular option now, this particular one, you won't be allowed, it can't be processed in that website that I'm talking about. All right, it can't be processed. So make sure the format of your audio after extracting it is not mp3. Make sure it's AAC, please, because I don't want you to come and tell me that it doesn't work. Make sure it's this AAC once you extract the audio. All right, let's choose that AAC option. Click on AAC and then click on save here. You can also click here to edit the name. Let's just edit the name first before saving. Click on the name, then input a random name like testing. Let me use this as the name. Okay, that's just it. We click on save and it will be saved immediately. As you can see here, it's now saved, it's now converted to audio. The audio have been extracted from the video. Okay, most people also use Zender, use some other applications, but please, the reason why you must use this particular application is because of that AAC, because of the video format. All right, now that we have our audio extracted, the next thing we have to do now is enhancing the voice. Let's go and enhance it now. Your web browser and search for this link, Podcast Adobe, or you can locate the link to this website under the comment section or the description menu. Anywhere you go, you will find this app site. All right, I'll drop the link there. So we want to enhance our audio, the one we extracted the other time. All right, and make sure once you open the website, make sure this thing is in version 2. Make sure this is in V2. All right, then you click on choose file. You click here, choose file. Click on choose file so that we can select the file that we will enhance on this website. Then let's select that particular audio which is testing. I believe that's the name, right? If you can remember. So here's the voice here. Then once you upload it like this, allow it to load. You don't have to do anything else on the application. But if you want to upload the video directly so that you have to do some adjustments manually and get the best out of it, then you need to get the pro version. All right, so we are using the free version, and this free version you are allowed to enhance at least 1 hour video a day. That's the least, the maximum you can enhance every day. All right, so if you want to enhance more than 1 hour, then that means you have to pay for pro version, or if you don't want to pay, then you wait for the next day to be able to enhance other ones. All right, so this the voice is now enhanced. Let's play it and know how it sounds. No matter how noisy the environment is, after using this website, your sound. Omo guys, this is very easy, free, and cool. If you use it this way, you won't have to bother for microphone or all of those expensive stuffs. And let's just try out the when it has not been enhanced. Let's know how it sounds then. Let me off the enhanced one. Let's check it. You sound like the sound of your video. You had that of a professional. Then let's activate it. All right, so let's go into this tutorial. Let me show you how to do it. It's very easy and cool. All right, if you still want to upload another one, you click on here to upload another one. If you want to download it now, let's click on download and download it. And after downloading it, then we'll sync it with the video on CapCut. It's now downloaded. All right, so let's now go and sync the video on our CapCut application. Make sure that the video format is not MP4. Don't leave it at MP4. Make sure it's AAC so that you can be able to enhance it using this particular website. And if you want to enhance your video directly without extracting the audio, what you have to do is pay for the pro version in this Adobe Podcast. Pay for the pro version and you then allow to be edit your video directly without extracting it. And you also have access to adjusting the level of the voice so that it sounds more like a human. But still, the free version is still okay, right? Let's go and sync the audio on CapCut. Open your CapCut application. Open your CapCut now, then click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, then you select that particular video. Here's the video. Let me select it. Let's check it. Yeah, this is the video. No matter how noisy the environment is. And then add it on our CapCut. Let's allow it to load. Then after loading, now it's uploaded. This is how you can sync it. All right, click on the video itself, click on the clip, and then scroll down and search for volume. This is your volume here. This is the volume of the video, the clip you just imported. Click on the volume and reduce it to 0. All right, so that you won't hear any voice, as you can see here. Then you come back and tap on add audio. Here's it. Tap on add audio. Then once you click on add audio, you select this one, sound. Select sound, and let's select the particular file we just downloaded. Click on here, click on device, and let's search for it by name. The name should be testing. And this is the testing enhanced one. As you can see, the enhanced one here. See the enhanced one here. It's written enhanced. Then let's click on this add button, that plus button. Click on it and the voice will be synced. Let's play it and let's check out the output. No matter how noisy the environment is, after using this website, your sound, you sound like a pro. The sound of your video will be that of a professional one. Isn't that crazy, guys? And after doing it like this, you can just go ahead and tap on your say exports here. Tap on your exports on your mobile data and tap on export. That's just it, guys. And your video is ready to be uploaded. All right, so do it this way and thank me later. I'm EgoTech. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Using this method that I show you in this video, you can be able to get the best quality audio quality in your videos. And I believe it's totally free. You can enhance at least 1 hour audio every day. And isn't that crazy? If you pay for the pro version, you can edit at least 4 hours audio every day. So I believe by now you really got value from this video, right? So if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's the way you can support me, and on your notification bell so you miss out on any of our updates. In our previous video, we talk about encryption and some other ones. So you can go check out the video for yourself. I'm Eagle Tech. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.